Well, hello everyone, and thought I'd hop on and remind you that I'll be having my Ceilidh tomorrow night, which is Friday night at 9 p.m. On my Facebook page and also on my YouTube channel. And sure that you join me on my music page, which is facebook.com/Calum Martin Music. And I'm hoping tomorrow night to have some special guests. I'm hoping that my good friend from years gone by, Adam Madison, will join me. We had a few technical issues today, but hoping to have them resolved so that he's able to join me for a couple of songs and some yarns about the olden days, way back, especially our castle days from 1967 to 1970. And I'm sure there'll be plenty of you that will remember those years. And also, Belan, my own daughter, hopefully will join me for a few songs as well. And as usual, hope that you'll be able to have good yarns amongst each other. It's always good. And it's always a very active page. So put in your requests as well. I mean, I've got a full program at the moment on requests that I've had from the last time. So put them in, and I promise that I'll look over them once the Ceilidh's finished, because it's difficult to react on the night because they go past so quickly. So hello Margaret, nice to see you. You've hopped on just now. So this is just a wee bit of a promo for tomorrow night. And yeah, I've been just going over some of the songs again. So I'll tell you what, let me give a wee example of some of the songs that I'll be doing. Some of them that are requests. Who remembers this one? Sailor, stop your roaming. Sailor, leave the sea. Oh, sailor, when the tide turns, come home safe to me. As you sail across the sea, oh my love is there beside you, in Capri or Amsterdam, Honolulu or Siam, etc. Okay, so let's see which other ones I'm doing. Yeah, it's a song that I haven't done before. One of the best Gaelic songs ever written. I don't think I've ever done this song before. So, yeah, looking forward to this one. You'll know this. Yes, a lovely song, that one. Who remembers this one? She was only 16, only 16. I loved her so. She was too young to fall in love, and I was too young to know. That's a nice song as well. So all of these are requests for tomorrow night. So please join me, and I'll be singing the whole song, all of these songs together. This is another request that I picked up from the last time. Who knows this one. There's a new world somewhere they call the promised land, and I'll be there someday if you will hold my hand. I still need you there beside me, no matter what I do, for I know I'll never find another you. Okay, so there's a few people saying that I've got to stop now. So hope you're able to join me tomorrow night, and we'll have some good fun for a couple of hours together. And Lachlan, Andy's off. Isabel Grant, Kirsty Fisher, The Seekers, absolutely right. So that was a special request as well, so I'll say who it was. The Seekers, my Uncle Murdigan's favourite band. Oh, is that right? Now, what other ones have I got? Loads of them. Cannon and Gale, Catch the Wind. So we're getting a wee. Yeah, what about this one? Hello. So I'm doing quite a lot of songs that I've never really done before. Oh, some Hannah Julie Town, Erin Hubot the enemy, who that fair. Practice that a wee bit. Danny Mackay, goodness me. Judith Durham, that's right. A favourite singer from way, way back. Crying in the Rain, Canna Gale. So I've got a full programme, but please put in your requests and have the crack between each other. And Rose Gale, so I've got a whole bunch of songs for tomorrow night. So make sure that you share and join me tomorrow night at 9, and hopefully Belan will be here to do some. I think there's been a few requests in for Belan to do some songs as well, and as I say, hopefully Ado will be joining me as well tomorrow night. So thanks all for joining me just now, and we'll see you all being well tomorrow at 9. Bye.